Dear students, once again we have the topic mixed problems. So let's solve some of the exercises from the topic mixed problems. Let's start the exercise B, fill in the circles. So in our previous video we have solved 8 sums on this exercise. So let's continue the exercise and solve the other sums. So we have here for today the first sum. Circle 41 minus 199 and the difference is 142. As you see, the circle is given in the hundreds place and the circle is above. So you see the circle is given above, not below. In the previous video I have explained to you when the circle is given below, you need to subtract the above and the below number, that is the answer, and find the number which is in the circle. So now as you see the circle is above, so children, what you need to do? First you need to try to solve this sum once in the tens place, and then I will tell you what you need to, how you need to find the answer for the hundreds place. 1 minus 9 is not possible, so strike out the tens place and write here the back number, that is the before number 3. And you need to borrow 1 and this number is 11 now. 11 minus 9 gives you 2. 3 minus 9 gives you 4? No. So there is something to be borrowed. To borrow something you should take out something. So what is the number there? So the method is you need to add 1 plus 1. That is 1 plus 1 gives you 2. If 1 plus 1 gives you 2, there is something to be borrowed to the tens place. So add 1 to 2 and that is 3. So 3 should be written in the circle as you are going to borrow. Strike out this 3, write here 2 and borrow 1 to the tens place. I hope so you understood this method. This method is when you are going to borrow 1 to the tens place, you need to add 1 for 1 plus 1, that is 2. Coming to the next example, we have here in the tens place a circle is given and 1 and 8 is given. So let's solve the ones place and let's see what we need to do to find the answer in the tens place. 9 minus 8 gives you 1. So is there need to borrow? No. If there is no need to borrow, directly you can add 8 plus 1 and that is 9, and you can write this number in the circle. In this case you see we need to borrow to the tens place. Then what you need to do? Add 1. That is for 2 you need to add 1 and write the number in the circle. Coming to the addition, I hope so the sums are very clear to you as we have learned in our previous video. We need to add the ones place, that is 9 and 6. 9 and 6 gives you how much? 15. 9 plus 6 is 15. So if 15 is greater than 9, yes, 15 is greater than 9. So what you need to consider 9 to be? 19. So carry 1 here and the 9 is written here. So how to find the number in the circle? You should make 15 plus dash to 19. So 15 plus how much gives you 19? 15 plus 4 gives you 19. So write 4 in the circle. So 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, and this we are ready with the answer. So let's move to the next one. 1 600 circle plus 259 and 568, and you see in the answer column in the hundreds place a circle is given. So let's solve. So let's see what to do with the 10 or ones place. That is 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is how much? It is 17. Is 17 greater than 0? Yes, 17 is greater than 0, children. So what you need to consider 0 as? Will 0 be 10? It will be less than 17? No. You should consider 0 to be 20. It should be more. So it should be more than 17. So you need to consider to be 20. So 17 plus how much gives you 20? Yes, borrowed 2, carry 2 here. Sorry. Carry 2. And it's 20 now. So 17 plus how much gives you 20? 17 plus 3 gives you 20. So write 3 in the circle. But let's check the tens place, and what you find? It is 19. So carry 1 here. And now check the hundreds place. So what is the answer in the hundreds place you find? That is 990. Here we have the sum 166 plus 7, 1 circle plus circle 8, 4. So let's see, 6 plus 4 is how much? 6 plus 4 is 10. So write 10 is greater than 7. So consider 7 to be 17. So what do you need to do? Carry 1. And 10 plus how much is 17? 10 plus 7 is 17. So write 7 in the circle. Let's check the tens place. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Carry 1. Now what you need to do? The method is same. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 is equal to 9. Yes? So what you need to write in the circle, children? Here you need to write 0. When 9 is equal to 9, is there anything to be carried or compared? No, nothing. So it is 0. Moving to the next one. Here we have 550 plus 1, 2 and a circle plus 192. Answer is 869. So now children, 6 plus 2, sorry, 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is how much? It is 2. And 2 is greater than 9 or lesser than 9? 2 is lesser than 9. So, what you need to do? 2 is greater than 9 or lesser than 9? 2 is lesser than 9. It's not greater. So, what you need to do, children? You should not carry 1. So, remember, if the number is lesser, you should not carry 1 to the tens place. So let's write here 2 is lesser than 9. And the answer you should get is only 9. Remember this. The answer you should get should be 9. So 2 plus how much gives you 9? Yes, the answer is 9. But what do you need to write in the circle? 2 plus how much gives you 9? 2 plus 7 gives you 9. So write 7 in the circle. In the previous cases you saw if greater number means you need to make 7 to be 17. In this case it is not 19. You need to say it is 9. So 2 plus how much is 9? 2 plus 7 is 9. Moving to the next one, we have here 356 plus 2 1 circle plus 356. So let's see, 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 is greater than 4. At 4 we should think to be 14 and carry 1. Yes, right here. 14 now. 14 plus how much? So 12 plus how much gives you 14? Yes, it's 12 plus how much gives you 14? 12 plus how much? 2. 12 plus 2 gives you 14. So write 2 in the circle. Now check this. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 5 12. So carry 1. Now check the hundreds place. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So here we have the next one, that is 192 plus 108 in a circle plus 586. So let's check 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 is greater than 2. Consider 2 to be 12. So carry 1. Now 12 plus how much? Yes, 8 plus how much gives you 12? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 4. So write 4 in the circle. Now check this, children. 16, 16 plus 1 17, 17 plus 9 is 26. So carry 2. So I hope so you have understood all these sums, and next 5 sums are your homework. So I will show the answers for you, but you try to solve and do it as your homework. As we see here, there are 4 more sums to solve, and do these sums as your homework. So solve in your notebook and write one time. So homework is these 4 sums you need to write, solve and write one time. So whatever I've taught from page number 52, you should write it in your notebook one time. So let me provide the answers for you. So I'm going to give only the answers, but you need to work out these sums in your books and find whether the circles, whatever I've given the answers, whether they are correct or wrong. So let's write here some of the answers in the circle, and you need to verify your answers, children, with my answers. So that's all for today. So see you in the next class.